Is it warm? That's a little bit warm. Oh, okay. Is it warm? Nice. Yeah. Hi, Zoe. Where are they, Zoe? Whoa! Ah, these are the floaties. Zoe, hi. Hi. Ah. Are you sleeping? Are you napping? Oh, they're spinning. They're spinning. Man, where'd it go?
Hold on. We gotta wait for Mom. Hi, Zoe. Have fun?
So I have a serious face on right now.
Zoe's like, when is somebody gonna push me down a water slide?
Zoe. Zoe. Bye bye. Oh, sorry. Ah. Hi. You don't bite it. You don't bite.